Welcome to OneNDF, where you can take informed loan decisions with the help of our loan pundits. A loan is a wonderful means to meet your needs, but it can soon turn into a loan trap if the paybacks become higher than your earnings. This is when a loan becomes a bad debt. Once you have crossed the first step of realizing that you are in debt, let's come to the second step of solving it. To begin with, you just need to identify the two most important things: categorizing loans with higher rate of interest and creating a list of large expenditures which we can do away with. The task at hand should be to target these and try to bring them down. While doing this, be mindful that you have enough working capital to keep you or your business afloat. This is where a professional consultant like New Delhi Financial comes into the picture. Our years of experience, expert knowledge and dedicated research on loans help you identify the banks that offer the lowest rate of interest basis our clients' eligibility criteria. New Delhi Financial is here to ease off this burden off you while you continue to focus on your growth. Our founder, Mr. Nitin Khandelwal, always says, loans can both be a boon or a bane. Turn yours into a boon. We hope this video brings you value, and we would appreciate if you would subscribe to OneNDF. It means a lot for us to have your support. We want to be more in touch with you guys, so we will answer every question from the first comments. So make sure to hit the bell notification to be the first to be notified when a new video goes up.